Incredible lemon magic drink results for easy and fast weight loss. Welcome to a new video of Weight Loss 360 Now. Today we bring you an amazing recipe that will allow you to lose between 3 to 6 kilos per week. If you want to know how, stay. Everyone has heard about the benefits of lemon due to its great use for cleaning and detoxification of the body. Lemon is also a great ally for those who want to lose weight. Its ability to burn fast is amazing at the time to know how to ingest it. To know how to prepare it correctly will give you incredible results that you want to reach. Although the lemon extract is beneficial in many aspects, if you really want to lose weight, the secret you should know is that the results will be found in its shell. The lemon peel has 5 times more vitamins than the lemon juice. It has an ingredient called pectin, which reduces the absorption of sugar, which helps you maintain a stable weight to lose weight easier. The water of the lemon peel is known as one of the best slimming beverages. Apart from it, brings great benefits to your overall health, such as it reduces the risk of cancer, it gives good bone health, it promotes oral health, it regulates the pressure arterial, rich in vitamin C, among other benefits. So, what to do? Wash 5 lemons and cut them in half. Squeeze and separate the juice. It retains only the shells for this method, and having the shells ready, boil in 1 liter of water, and once being boiling is removed from the oven. Leave it to stand and then filter water and ready. And have a potent formula. Noteworthy that its taste is bitter and you should not sweeten it with anything. Take 30 minutes before each meal. That is 3 large glasses of water per day for a week, and you will begin to see results. Remember to always eat healthy food, follow the same diet, and accompany it with daily exercises. Put it in action and leave me your comment in the comment box. If you liked this video, please give it a like and share with your friends. Subscribe to the channel for more content of this type, and remember to activate the notification bell to be aware of our videos. Bye!